Your Eminence, the Mufti of Uganda, the Deputy Mufti, all the distinguished religious leaders, honorable leaders present, all of the brothers and sisters in Islam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Eid Mubarak. I bring you warm greetings from the government of the Republic of Uganda, and I congratulate the entire Muslim Ummah upon successfully completing the holy month of Ramadan. May Allah accept our fasting, our prayers, and our sacrifices. The values taught us by Ramadan, that is discipline, sacrifice, honesty, compassion, and peace, are not only religious, they are also economic values. No society develops without discipline. No human being prospers without honesty. No economy grows without integrity and sacrifice. Without compassionate members lacks care, trust, and the capacity to heal. And most importantly, nothing works without peace. Peace is not a security achievement. Peace, Uganda's biggest investment attraction policy. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us in the Holy Quran, and I quote, Allah invites to the home of peace and guides He wishes to the straight path. That is Surah Yunus, chapter 10, verse 25. We must continue to guard the peace we enjoy, because peace is the foundation of prosperity. Because Uganda is peaceful, investors are coming, tourism is growing, trade is flourishing, and jobs are being created. As a result of these, we are able to freely fulfill the core pillars of our faith. Your Eminence, Uganda is implementing what we call the tenfold growth strategy. This is a deliberate plan to grow the size of our economy to about $500 billion by 2040. We are now at about $68 billion. We want to turn Uganda into a $500 billion economy. This transformation is anchored on 4 key sectors: commercial agriculture along its entire value chain, tourism, mineral development, including oil and gas. We are exploiting our oil this year, inshallah. And then science, technology, and innovation. This is not just about growing the economy, it's about growing household incomes and improving the quality of life of the people of Uganda. As Allah reminds us in the Holy Quran, man will only have what he strives for. This is not only a spiritual principle, it is an economic principle. Government's role is to create opportunities. Our responsibility as citizens of Uganda is to identify these opportunities and seize them. To support Ugandans, particularly the Muslims, To participate in this transformation, government continues to invest heavily in wealth creation programs. Currently, government is investing annually 2.4 trillion shillings in wealth creation initiatives in the national budget. In the past 10 years, government has invested 10 trillion shillings, and this should be a cornerstone of our prosperity. The message of government is simple. These are not political funds. These are not sectarian funds. These are economic opportunity funds. I therefore encourage all of us to take full advantage of these programs to start or expand wealth creation ventures and improve household incomes. The Muslim community is well positioned to benefit from the wealth creation initiatives because many of Uganda's priority sectors we have identified naturally align with the halal economic principles. These include agriculture and livestock production, coffee and grain trading, logistics and regional trade, Islamic finance and ethical banking, tourism and hospitality, among so many others. Islam encourages lawful earning and ethical business conduct. Uganda's transformation must therefore be built on productive, ethical, and halal enterprise. Allow me, before I conclude, to emphasize one important message. Uganda's future is not to be determined by how much government spends, but how much we the citizens produce. If we protect peace, if we work hard, if we take full advantage of wealth creation programs, Uganda will become one of Africa's most prosperous economies, and very soon, inshallah. As I conclude, allow me to give you three simple truths. Number one, peace is Uganda's greatest national capital today. And beyond are not as peaceful. We must protect this peace jealously. Number two, unity is Uganda's greatest national strength. Peace is the capital, unity is the strength of our nation. And three, hard work is the surest path to prosperity. Let us therefore pray with sincerity, work with discipline, live in peace and unity. May Allah accept our fasting. May Allah bless the work of our hands. May Allah grant prosperity to our families and our nation. May Allah protect the peace of Uganda. May Allah bless the Muslim Ummah of Uganda and beyond. May Allah bring peace to our brothers and sisters elsewhere in the world. And may Allah bless the Republic of Uganda. Eid Mubarak.